Ever wondered how companies decide whether to undertake a new project or not? It all comes down to one critical consideration: the cost of capital. Think of the cost of capital as a company's way of putting a price tag on its dreams. It's the calculation of the minimum return the company would need to justify a capital budgeting project, like opening a new branch or launching a new product. The cost of capital isn't just a concern for the company's decision makers. It's a tool used by financial analysts and investors to evaluate whether a projected decision is worth its cost. For investors, the term might also be used to gauge the potential return of an investment in relation to its cost and associated risks. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. Many companies don't rely on just one source of capital. They often use a mix of debt and equity to finance their grand plans. In such cases, the overall cost of capital is calculated from the weighted average cost of all capital sources. This is what financial whizzes call the weighted average cost of capital. But why is the cost of capital so crucial? It's all about the hurdle rate. When a company is considering a major project, it needs to know how much money the project must generate to cover the cost of undertaking it, and then continue generating profits. The cost of capital helps determine this hurdle rate. From an investor's perspective, the cost of capital is a gauge of the return they can expect from buying shares or making other investments. It's an estimate that might include best and worst case scenarios. An investor might look at the volatility or the beta factor of a company's financial results to decide whether a stock's cost is justified by its potential return. In essence, the cost of capital is a way of measuring risk against reward, cost against benefit. It helps companies make informed decisions about their future, and it aids investors in making savvy investment choices. It is a vital tool in the world of finance, a linchpin that holds together the decisions that drive growth and prosperity. So, the next time you hear about a company undertaking a new project, remember, it all started with the cost of capital.